Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Polkadot price prediction and Polkadot news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polkadot in 2022. Polkadot is an open-source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset type, not just tokens, and thus makes a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. This interoperability aims to create a fully decentralized private network managed by users, as well as to simplify the creation of new applications, systems and services. Polkadot was created by the Swiss-based WEB3 Foundation, which was founded as an open-source project to build a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web. Its founders are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer and Peter Chabin, showing that market uncertainty wasn't about to end anytime soon. For now, it seems that Bitcoin has many more resistance levels to shatter before jaded investors respond with euphoria. Tameless and swift and proud, while BNB has been tracking Bitcoin's price performance, weighted sentiment for the asset was above 1.0. However, a look into the past shows that BNB has a trend of short euphoric spikes followed by longer periods of negative weighted sentiment. As far as XRP is concerned, the asset saw a rally of over 15%, possibly thanks to the judge in the SEC v Ripple Labs lawsuit denying the SEC's motion to strike Ripple's fair notice defense. In fact, weighted sentiment for XRP has been in the positive territory since about 7 March and was 1.337 at press time. This, despite XRP's price again climbing to a level seen in late February. However, since XRP investors' euphoria has been followed by dramatic price crashes, investors will need to look at both on-chain activity and court updates. Meanwhile, as Santiment noted, Polkadot DOT saw a dip from positive to negative territory, despite a rise in price, and the onboarding of some new paired chains. However, weighted sentiment for DOT has been largely negative since mid-December. Trumpet of a prophecy. Many eyes are on Terra Luna, a rising star asset now among the top 10 cryptos. However, euphoric highs of close to 4 were followed by a fall in price, which led to a nearly vertical fall in sentiment. That said, investors don't seem to be ready to give up, as weighted sentiment was 0.104 for the asset on 12 March. To keep weighted sentiment above 0, Luna will have to prove that its towering rallies can be consistent. And second news, will Immutable X 58% rally save its newfound investors from losses? In a surprising turn of events, Immutable X was seen charting gains in an unfavorable market. The ecosystem developments coming from the Layer 2 Scalability Protocol for NFT 5 on the charts, and flipped it to support before its move toward $19, but buying pressure seemed to be lacking in the near-term outlook. Bitcoin was trading just above the $39K mark, and the short-term direction of the king of crypto on the charts was not too clear either. Weekends are also times of lower liquidity. Will Polkadot's rally push it past $19, or was the selling pressure likely to be dominant? In the past week, Polkadot had traded within a range from $16.17 to $17.57. This midpoint of this range was at $16.87, and had some confluence with a longer-term support level at $16.81. In the past few days, DOT has found some support at this confluence of support levels. On the first attempt at a breakout past the range highs, DOT was unable to hold on to the range highs when $17.6 was flipped to support. Bitcoin saw pullback to $38.8K from $42K, and DOT was forced lower as well. On its second attempt, the price was able to establish a higher high, near term, and also find demand at $17.6, which meant that the short-term market structure was bullish. To the north, the $19 area posed significant resistance to the bull's endeavors. Therefore, a near-term buying opportunity could arise. At this level were flipped to support. To the south, the $17.6 would need to remain unbroken for DOT to climb higher. A session close below $17. 6 could see DOT fall back towards $16.2. The RSI stood at 62.16 and showed strong bullish momentum in recent hours. However, it also displayed a bearish divergence between price and momentum. The Awesome Oscillator also appeared to be forming a lower peak even as the price pushed higher. Alongside, the OBV showed that buying volume has not been particularly high after the retest of $17.6. Is it enough to stall the downtrend? Can DOT push higher from here on? It was not clear yet. $19. $61 and $20.34 are levels that DOT would need to climb above from here on to give an idea of a bullish leaning for Polkadot. Long term, the downtrend has not yet been broken, but it could be in the days to come. Even past $20.34, the $23.1 area would still be likely to offer strong resistance. The RSI poked its head above the neutral 50 mark. This could be an early indication that the long-term trend could be on the verge of shifting. The awesome oscillator also crossed above the zero line, which could again be seen as a signal of a shift in bias. There remains a long way to go, though the OBV has been sliding downward since November, but in the past 2 weeks, it offered the possibility that buyers were slowly entering the market. They weren't the dominant side yet, though conclusion the price action and indicators showed a faint possibility of a shift in longer-term bias from bearish to bullish. It was quite early to tell, and $20.34 and $23.1 remain levels to beat. The overall market conditions still reek of fear and uncertainty. Hence, risk-averse investors could wait for buying opportunities. Flipping $23.1 to support would be an encouraging sign for bulls, and a buying opportunity in preparation for a run upwards. And second news will this weekend of lower liquidity see Polkadot push it past $19. Polkadot climbed past $17. In Rust and uses the substrate framework. Polkadot, DOT, is a blockchain protocol that seeks to connect different blockchains. DOT is the native token of the Polkadot, DOT, network. The Web 3.0 Foundation created the Polkadot, DOT, network, a Swiss foundation with the mission to facilitate an open source, fully functional, and user-friendly decentralized web. The Polkadot, DOT, protocol is the brainchild of Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer, and Peter Chabin. The Polkadot, DOT, network debuted in May 2020. DOT tokens were distributed through an initial coin offering, ICO, in October and November 2017, which raised over $145 million. So which one should you invest in? That depends on your needs and goals. But each of these coins has potential, so it is worth keeping an eye on them. Well, as always, by the end of the video, a little analytics and forecasts for the coming years for those who are going to invest in this cryptocurrency. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Polkadot, DOT, a good investment? Polkadot price prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Polkadot, DOT, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $24.40. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Polkadot's maximum price could be up to $27.45 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Polkadot course prediction 2023. The OTs have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Polkadot, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $40.82. DOT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $35.11, a minimum price of $34.13, and a maximum price of $40.82. DOT price forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Polkadot price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average DOT price will rise to around $49.06 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year may end with a maximum price of $59.25 with a minimum price $47.65 level. DOT price prediction 2025. DOT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Polkadot price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Polkadot exchange rate will be almost $65.94. The maximum bet we can get is $82.47. Polkadot end 2025 average price forecast could be around $67.90. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. In principle, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to share the video with a friend